Hello, my name is Danny, and I'm a technical architect that's part of Slack's professional services team. Slack has launched a library of key accelerator apps, all with the intent of boosting productivity, improving quality, or improving the experience of Slack for end users. Today, I have the opportunity to demo the SuccessBot Accelerator app. And before I begin, I'd like to focus on a few points related to the accelerator's value drivers, what it solves, and the business outcomes to expect. SuccessBot is built and developed by Slack. And at Slack, our customer success managers always have valuable information to share with our fantastic customers. But at times, we found it a bit challenging to manage communications for product updates, best practices, and general thought leadership content at scale. This is why SuccessBot is our best friend. SuccessBot is a custom Slack app that lets our customer success team share updates with hundreds of customers at once and track the engagement of these messages at the same time. We found that SuccessBot saves our customer success team approximately 200 hours per month, and we see an average 22% click-through rate on SuccessBot messages. And as an added bonus, SuccessBot allows us to deliver more consistent and regular content across our customers at scale. Now that we understand the value of SuccessBot, I'm going to jump into a live demo so you can see it in action. In this demo, I'm going to walk through the workflow of disseminating a well-crafted message to multiple customers in various Slack Connect channels. So to get things started, I'm here in App Home for SuccessBot, where we're going to find a rich set of configuration. Let's go ahead and get started with adding an additional admin user to SuccessBot. To do so, click the Configure Admin Users button, then select another Slack user, save, and now this additional admin user has the ability to publish messages for SuccessBot and additionally modify SuccessBot configuration. Next, let's create a staging channel. A staging channel is going to give us the ability to craft messages for SuccessBot using Slack's block kit. Now, let's go ahead and invite SuccessBot to the appropriate Slack Connect channels. To do so, we can use the invite/command. From here, let's go ahead and jump into our SuccessBot staging channel, where we've already crafted a message about Slack's scheduled send feature. We would like to send this message out to our customers without having to manually copy and paste within each Slack Connect channel. So to do so, let's go ahead and hit the message shortcut, configure message. Let's give this a title, schedule later feature. We specify which channels we would like to send the message to. In this case, we're going to select all channels. From here, you have the ability to view the channels that this message is going to get posted to. In this case, we have EXT Company 1, EXT Company 2. And from here, let's go ahead and disseminate out this message. Let's now go ahead and check out the Slack Connect channels and see our message from SuccessBot. Starting with EXT Company -1 channel, we see our message from SuccessBot, and also in EXT Company 2, we see the same message posted from SuccessBot. As a final showcase, if I go back into App Home for SuccessBot, now that I've disseminated out a couple of messages, I have the ability to gain visibility into those message sends and additionally download useful reports. Thank you for your time today to learn about the SuccessBot Accelerator app. It is important to know that this specific Accelerator app library does have some technical hosting and infrastructure requirements. This is a bit different from our standard app library at Slack. It will require some time from our customers to establish the connection and test to make sure that it's ready to be released. If you would like to learn more about Slack's Accelerator app library, please reach out to your designated account partner.